Welcome Dream Bikes Hub. The Honda XL750 Transalp SP is a motorcycle that embodies the spirit of adventure touring, merging off-road capability with on-road comfort. This model, part of Honda's rich history of dual-sport motorcycles. The Transalp line first emerged in the 1980s, designed to meet the growing demand for versatile motorcycles capable of handling both highways and rugged trails. The original XL600 Transalp was a pioneer in the adventure touring category, and over the decades, Honda has refined this model, adapting to changing technologies and rider expectations. At the heart of the XL750 Transalp SP is a powerful 750cc parallel twin engine. This engine configuration is known for its smooth power delivery and efficiency, providing a balance between performance and fuel economy. This engine is paired with a 6-speed transmission, allowing for seamless shifts whether riding in the city or on long-distance journeys. The design of the engine facilitates excellent low to mid-range torque. The front suspension typically includes upside-down forks, offering better rigidity and damping performance. The rear often features a monoshock setup with adjustable preload, allowing riders to customize the ride height and handling characteristics to suit their preferences. Honda motorcycles are known for their reliability, and the Transalp SP continues this tradition. Regular maintenance is straightforward, with easy access to critical components. The Honda Transalp has developed a loyal following over the years, with riders forming communities around the model. Online forums and local clubs facilitate discussions about riding tips, modifications, and travel experiences. This sense of community adds value for owners. The Honda XL750 Transalp SP is a remarkable motorcycle that successfully combines the best attributes of adventure touring with Honda's legacy of quality and innovation. Whether you're navigating urban streets or exploring off-the-beaten-path trails, the Transalp SP offers a compelling package with its robust engine. I hope this provided more information and unique, so please subscribe my YouTube channel and watching me.